This episode is dedicated to discussing quant. We haven't discussed quant in a while. The departure from social media, including Twitter, generated a lot of rumors about them. Who gives a damn? I drew out a chart for you. I'll show you where we're sitting, where we're heading, and what I think will happen. I have another XRP chart that you will find interesting. I'm going to show you how very bullish we are on XRP. It's going to blow your mind. This one dates back to Thanksgiving. Additionally, there is a big release coming up on Uniswap that you should be aware of. You should also grab your own small MetaMask wallet and some tokens on the other side of things so that you are ready for this incredible release. So without further ado, take a seat back, unwind, and let's get started. At 97,965 hours, Bitcoin has increased by 92% over the last day. Ethereum is up 3.19%, trading at 3,636. At number 3, XRP is still having a great time. To be honest, it looks nice in the number 3 position, but it will look much better in the number 2 position. In the last day, it has increased by almost 1%. As the entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies, USDT and USDC both stay at their dollar pegs. It has been quietly creeping up every day, in case you haven't been paying notice. We were at 3.2 and are on the verge of reaching 3.5 trillion. Bitcoin is awaiting a breakout. Look, it's over 108, the new all-time high. It will quickly rise to 125, then 150, and finally 175. I should show you the parabolic blow of tops on Bitcoin because they will astound you. I think we'll save that for another video. No, according to Bitcoin magazine, there is a 74% chance that a new country will purchase Bitcoin this year, according to Polymarket. This is significant. This is adoption. Did we ever anticipate that? Well, I shouldn't say that because some people may have started investing in cryptocurrency a year ago, and El Salvador may have already purchased a Bitcoin. However, when I first started investing in cryptocurrency in the 2017 period, did we anticipate that countries would be purchasing Bitcoin? I didn't think at all, but now look at where we're headed. Countries are looking to buy Bitcoin and devour it. This is huge. People are bullish, and this is bullish what we're talking about. Uniswap, if you don't know, is one of the biggest DEXs out there. It has over 7 million users, making the XRP ledger meme coin DEX look like peanuts. It has about 140,000, 7,140,000. Look, crypto, Web3, people know Uniswap, they know those ERC or Ethereum DEXs, they know everything except the XRP ledger. Well, the ledger has always had issues with ease of use. Let's just call it what it is, because that's exactly what it is. Now, however, pay attention, because something big is about to happen on Uniswap that you will want to be aware of. Get your ducks in a row, get your teeth crossed, and get your I's dotted. Here is the XRP chart, and let me tell you a little bit about it. The strong breakout and signal that we saw in XRP began back in early November, so when this strong breakout indicator appeared, it was trading at 55 cents. We got the indicator, and it appeared on the chart. You can see the huge incline that XRP took from November 7th to December 24th, when it reached its peak. I can say that's a wick, and we were able to reach it. If we look at the full body closure, it was around 273, and since then, you can see this enormous range, and it's respecting our 3 lovely squiggly lines going through, and we haven't gone below it. The lowest on there was $1.96, and we haven't fallen below it, so we're going to call it $2 for simplicity on the channel. We're 10 cents away from the top of it, $2.56, and when that breakout happens, fireworks will go off and you'll see an explosion. As of right now, I keep tweeting about it, and I think some people get frustrated because we're in Chop City and we're chopping between purple and yellow, and that's it. The breakout isn't happening yet, but it will happen in Q1, so pay attention. It will be extremely explosive and happen within the next 2 months. With those 2 significant events, Trump taking office in 16 days and Gensler leaving in 16 to 17 days, I would be shocked if the breakout did not occur this month. This is going to blow up on the upside, and we will finally be able to take advantage of it. XRP's all-time high is dependent on the currency you use. I use the dollar, and it's $2.83. I don't care about the South Korean pair. I don't have South Korean money, and I'm never going to get that pricing. In the US, it was $2.83. Perhaps it was a little different in Canada or Australia. Your all-time high is dependent on your currency, the currency you use every single day. Full out, stop, end of story, put a period at the end of the sentence. We are going to break that South Korean pair so that we can finally see that XRP made a new all-time high in the first quarter. I would be shocked if it didn't happen in January or early February when XRP will rise above, I don't even know what they call it anymore, $3.80. As a result, we will see a $4 to $6.50. $3.50 is the worst case scenario, but I believe we got way above that. Let's now discuss Quant and our current focus. Quant shows that we received the net volume at the bottom. Let me restate that. Quant signaled a breakout around $64. I don't want to imply it wasn't huge. The volume on Quant was beginning to pick up steam about November 10th, as you can see. What takes place? Up until December 24th, the price increases. In the short run, it appears that many of these altcoins' short-term peaks appeared on the day before Christmas, and we subsequently began the downfall. As you can see, the collapse of Quant happened on December 19th. The volume just began to calm down and level out, and now it is here. We will obtain the next breakup signal on Quant after we find the breakout indicator, which is approximately $135 to $15 away. Quant is still asleep, people. This hasn't woken up yet, but the time has come. Keep in mind that when Quant moves, this thing flies. You'll see it go from $120 to $200 in a flash, and then $250 and $300 the next thing you know. We'll be discussing an all-time high on it. I put this out, and look, go read this if you love XRP, okay? VLO is going to be your favorite. There is a reason why VLO is a sleeping giant, as I have outlined in 10 distinct sections. If you love XRP, you should also love VLO because VLO's primary use case is to concentrate on cross-border settlements, which is a trillion-dollar industry. XRP won't control the entire industry. There will be many cross-border transactions, settlements, backends, DLTs, and cryptos that need to be integrated. Not all of it will be taken by XRP. Some will be taken by VLO, which is also built out on Stellar's network. Keep in mind that VLO was trading at 3 cents. To be honest with you, we discussed VLO when it was trading at a penny, or somewhat less. We'll call it a penny because it was 0.009. Now, your goals for VLO later in 2025 are 20 to 50 pennies.